Hello, family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today we are going to talk about Yoga Nidra. Nidra in Sanskrit means to sleep, and Yoga Nidra is one of the most ancient Indian techniques to be in a state of semi consciousness, a state where you're neither asleep nor fully awake. So, do you know when you just go off to bed and you're lying on the bed, that state where you're feeling a bit drowsy but still a little awake? That is the state that Yoga Nidra meditation puts you into. This is one of the easiest forms of meditation, and it can be easily done just lying in a comfortable position on a bed or on the floor. Now, why should you be doing Yoga Nidra? The primary reason of doing Yoga Nidra is to have a proper, good, relaxed sleep. With that, Yoga Nidra also reduces the stress hormones in our body, and it puts our mind into brain waves, especially the theta and the delta range of brain waves. The kind of stress that we have these days, it has become a mandatory thing to go to bed and play Yoga Nidra or do a Yoga Nidra meditation if you want to become more creative, more organized, and more focused in life. Yoga Nidra meditation not just relaxes you, but brings out the best in you. So without any further delay, let us get started and let us do the Yoga Nidra meditation together. Come on. So let us now do the Yoga Nidra. You lie down on the floor or on the bed with your palms facing the sky. Take a deep breath in and close your eyes. Take another deep breath in, and this time hold your breath. Tighten your body and make a fist and let go. Again, breathe in. Tighten your fist, hold your breath, and let go. Take a deep breath. Tense your body as much as you can. Make a fist and let go through your mouth. Relax your body. Let us now take our attention to our right feet. Feel the toes, the right feet, your right leg, your right knee, and your right thigh. Take a deep breath in and let go. Your entire right leg is relaxed. Take your attention to your left feet. Small, gentle toes. Move your toes. Your left leg. Your left knee. And your left thigh. And the entire left leg. Take a deep breath and relax both your legs. Let us take your attention a little upwards onto our genitals, our lower abdomen, our stomach, and the navel region. Our chest. Take a deep breath in and let go. Again, take a deep breath in and relax. Take your attention gently to your right shoulder. Your entire right hand. The wonderful fingers in your right hand and the palm. Take a deep breath in and let go. Focus on the left shoulder, the left hand, your left palm, and the left fingers. Take a deep breath in and completely relax. Let loose both your shoulders. Take your focus to your neck, the entire back of your neck. Go down to your back and relax your back. Feel your weight on the back and relax it completely. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly come to your face, the chin, soft cheeks, your nose, and your wonderful eyes. Focus on the ears and let them relax. Take your energy to your forehead and completely relax. To the top of your head, to the back of the head, and take a deep breath in. And let go. Relax your entire face. Again, take a deep breath in. And let go. Furthermore, keep your eyes closed and continue to take deep, long breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. The body is completely relaxed. Imagine a white ray of light entering your body right from the head and touching every part of your body. The head, the face, the shoulders, the back, the chest, the arms, the stomach, the genitals, the legs, and going right up to your feet. Let this white light completely relax you. Take a deep breath in and let go. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Turn to your left side and slowly taking the support of your right hand, sit up. Keeping your eyes closed, take another deep, long breath and let go. Gently rub your palms together and place them on your eyes. And slowly and steadily, whenever you're ready, you may open your eyes. Thank you for practicing meditation with me, and thank you for your time today.